Amazon jungle. This phrase immediately evokes an image of infinite mystery, wonder, and the boundless power of nature. Spanning 9 countries in South America, this vast green ocean seems like an untold school of human civilization. Entering here is not just walking in the shade of trees, but crossing the stream of time and wrapping oneself in a shroud of eternal mystery. Famous as the lungs of the earth, this forest holds countless stories layer by layer, unknown species, undiscovered cultures, and evidence of nature's immense power. First of all, it is astonishing to think about the vastness of the Amazon. Spanning nearly 5.5 million square kilometers, this forest is even larger than the entire continent of Europe. Hundreds of rivers, tributaries, streams, and swamps come together to form a vast water forest. Every tree, every vine, every root seems to be part of a magical web. Here, sunlight does not reach the ground in many places. Under the dense shade of trees hundreds of feet tall, it remains dark even during the day. Tree roots, juicy fruits scattered among the leaves, and unknown flowers hanging around. Upon entering the depths of the forest, the familiar sounds, scents, and light of the earth appear in a new form. Sometimes the sounds of unknown creatures, the humming of insects, or the noise of countless birds make the atmosphere even more mysterious. In this vast kingdom of nature, there is no comparison to biodiversity. Scientists believe that the greatest biodiversity on Earth is in the Amazon. About 2.5 million species of insects live here, many of which scientists have not yet identified. Under every leaf, on every tree branch, deep in the soil or underwater, countless insects of various colors and shapes are chirping. Some are poisonous, some glow in the light, and some are silent workers maintaining the balance of nature. The world of fish in the Amazon is also unique. About 4,000 species of fish swim here. The notorious enemy piranha, the peaceful giant arapaima, or the colorful discus fish. Rivers, streams, reservoirs, everywhere is their habitat. Birds are also an essential part of this forest. More than 1,300 species of birds fly around here. Macaw parrots adorned in red, blue, and yellow, the Sirius harpy eagle, or countless singing birds. In the morning or evening, the forest echoes with their voices. The list of mammals is no less: fearsome jaguars, calm sloths, playful monkeys, pink dolphins, or rare tapirs. Together, they create a unique ecosystem. Reptile and amphibian species include the giant anaconda, poisonous frogs, crocodiles, and countless snakes. There are also creatures that science has yet to discover or name. Every creature, big or small, plays an essential role in the life cycle of this forest. The forest does not only mean animals. In terms of trees, the Amazon is unparalleled. There are about 390 billion trees here, many thousands of species of which have been scientifically identified. Rubber, cocoa, coffee, tobacco, tree bark, various medicinal plants. Each has its own identity and unique properties. These trees not only provide oxygen, but are also deeply connected to the lifestyle of the local people. The tribals make bread from the manioc or cassava tree, and there are nutritious fruits like acai berries or Brazil nuts. Medicines are made from the leaves, roots, and bark of many trees to treat fever, pain, wounds, and even poisonous bites. This knowledge is unknown to the outside world. Only the children of this forest know it. People have also been living here for a very long time. About 30 million people, more than 400 tribal communities, some connected to modern society, some still completely isolated. These isolated tribal lives are simple but dependent on nature. They build houses from wood and leaves. To protect from climate and the dangers of wild animals, the houses are built high. Clothes are made from natural fibers, and various colored designs are made on the body, which represent their social or religious identity. They have given nature the place of God. Rivers, trees, animals, and birds, soil. Everything is considered the authority of the soul. Their festivals, songs, dances, all are praises of nature. They catch fish, hunt, and gather fruits and nuts for food. Fishing has become a part of their customs. Whether piranha or arapaima, none survive. They also get food from jungle pigs, monkeys, and turtles. Delicious bread is made from the roots of the manioc tree, and acai berries or Brazil nuts are their sources of energy. For treatment, they rely on the juice of tree leaves, bark extracts, root powders, or mixtures of various herbs. Their medical methods are astonishing to modern science. Many medicines come from the forest, which they have been using for centuries. But life in this forest is not easy. There is a constant struggle to survive. The danger of wild animals, venomous snake bites, mosquito-borne diseases, sudden floods, extreme heat, or excessive rainfall as natural disasters. Yet, the people here believe that this forest is their mother, their life-giver. They respect nature. They never cut down trees unnecessarily, taking only as much as needed. Their outlook on life, philosophy, and daily practices maintain a deep connection with nature. But the invasion of modern civilization is a major threat to the Amazon today. The destruction of forests due to the demand for wood, expansion of agricultural land, deforestation for livestock. Because of these reasons, countless trees, wildlife, and indigenous cultures are being lost every day. Due to climate change, droughts, forest fires, and unusual rainfall are increasing here. Many indigenous people are now losing their land and moving towards cities, or are forced to adapt to modern life. Their culture, language, and way of life are also gradually disappearing. The Amazon is not only a key pillar of environmental balance for South America, but for the entire world. The trees and plants here absorb millions of tons of carbon dioxide every year, helping to regulate the Earth's temperature and providing oxygen. The biodiversity here, unknown animals, plants, bacteria, is a ray of hope for future medicines, technology, or food security. Scientists are still continuously discovering new animals, plants, and bacteria that could be the key to medicine or environmental conservation. As soon as one enters the depths of this forest, a unique world unfolds before them. Here, time seems to stand still, and nature operates according to its own rules. The daylight, the darkness of night, the flow of the river, the song of the birds, the sound of the rain, all carry a certain melody that reminds humans of their smallness and the infinite power of nature. No matter how advanced civilization may be here, the rule of nature is unshakable. Nature is greater, more powerful, and more mysterious than humans. In this way, the Amazon has become one of the most mysterious, unknown, and wondrous places in the world. Despite all the advancements in science, many mysteries remain unknown even today. Unknown creatures, undiscovered trees, unknown cultures are waiting here to be explored. Perhaps one day humanity will unveil all the secrets of this forest, but until then, the Amazon will remain the center of imagination and wonder for people around the world with its mystery, power, and beauty. This vast creation of nature teaches us the importance of the environment and biodiversity, the struggle for survival, and the limits of human civilization. How small humans really are in the face of nature, this understanding is the greatest truth of the Amazon.